Boom! Yeah, what's up, guys? You're welcome to another edition of Mixup Corner TV with me, Caroline Owusu Asamoah. Today, the words that we're going to be looking at, drum roll. It's okay. That's not a concert. But the words we're going to be looking at today are thought, THOUGHT, and taught, TAUGHT. Now, what's the difference between the two? When we say thought, THOUGHT, it's simply the past tense of to think, okay? Or a thinking in your mind. So, I have many thoughts, okay? Or she thought he said this. I thought he said that, right? But when we say TAUGHT, taught, it's simply the past tense, okay, of the word to teach. So she taught him a lesson, okay? She taught him how to read. I taught you how to pronounce words on Mixup Corner TV. So please don't get it mixed up. Thought, taught, they are different. Don't get it mixed up. It's Mixup Corner TV with me, Carolina Owusu Asamoah. Tata. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.